Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in product reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most reliable and sturdy options for securing your cargo, the DC Cargo Etrack Tie-Down Rail Kit. This product is simply one of the best Etrack rails available, designed to make your transportation and storage needs easier, safer, and more efficient. If you've been searching for a way to secure your heavy-duty loads, whether it's vehicles, tools, ATVs, or furniture, this galvanized steel Etrack rail system is up for the task. With each rail capable of supporting up to 2,000 pounds, you'll never have to worry about your cargo shifting during transit. This kit comes with 4 2-foot rails, each featuring 12 precisely engineered horizontal slots, perfect for connecting your ratchet straps, J-hooks, O-ring anchors, or any other Etrack accessories you might need. The installation process is a breeze. Whether you're mounting them on the floor or the walls of your trailer, garage, or truck, all you need is a few screws to get these rails securely in place. These rails are designed to withstand rough terrains, such as gravel roads or bumpy highways, so you can count on them to keep your equipment safe and in place, no matter where you're driving. Another key feature of these Etrack rails is their durability. The galvanized steel construction makes them weatherproof and resistant to scratches and dents, ensuring they can handle tough conditions and continue to perform for years to come. If you're tired of using tie-downs that don't hold up over time, this heavy-duty system is exactly what you need. And don't forget the versatility. This Etrack system works with a wide variety of vehicles, including trailers, trucks, vans, and even enclosed trailers. It's not just for professional use. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned pro, this system will meet your needs for organizing and securing all kinds of cargo. For anyone looking for an easy-to-install, heavy-duty tie-down system, the DC Cargo Etrack Rail Kit is a fantastic solution. Be sure to check out the full range of sizes and quantities available to find the perfect fit for your setup. It's time to get your cargo organized and secure with this top-tier Etrack system. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth reviews on the products that help make your life easier.